Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellness Secret. I'm so excited you're here because today we're going to crush a 20-minute fat-burning workout that you can do right at home. No equipment needed. This workout is designed especially for women, and it's perfect if you're short on time but still want to see amazing results. So grab a bottle of water, hit that like button, and let's get started. Ready to feel the burn? It's time to ignite your fitness journey right here, right now. Want a strong, fit body? You got this. No gym? No problem. Your home is your new fitness playground. This 20-minute workout torches calories, tones muscles, and boosts your energy. All you need is you and a little bit of space. Get ready to sweat and transform. Feel the intensity. Embrace the challenge. No fancy equipment, just your determination. Your body is the best tool you have. We'll warm up, work hard, and cool down together. Follow along. Push yourself to new limits. You can do it. Remember, listen to your body. Take breaks if needed. Hydrate and stay focused. Ready? Let's crush this workout and make every second count. Prime your body. Warm up. Warming up is crucial. Gets your blood flowing, muscles ready, prevents injuries. Let's do this. March in place, knees high, swing arms, get that heart rate up. Arm circles forward, then backward. Shoulder rolls up and back. Loosen those joints. Feeling warmer? Great. Warming up prepares your body for the challenge ahead. Next up, the fat blasting circuit. Fat blasting circuit. Let's go. Get ready to push your limits and feel amazing. Here's the heart of our workout. 3 exercises, repeated. Work hard, rest short. This is where the magic happens, where you transform your body and mind. Ready to feel the burn? Embrace the challenge and push through. Your effort will pay off. Jumping jacks. Cardio blast. Burns calories, gets you breathing hard. Keep your core tight and land softly on your feet. Squats. Shapes legs and glutes. Stand with feet apart, lower like sitting in a chair. Engage your core and keep your back straight. Push-ups. Strengthens upper body. Start on knees if needed. Lower chest to floor. Push back up. Keep your body in a straight line from head to knees or toes. Remember, form is key. Better to do fewer reps correctly than many incorrectly. Quality over quantity always. Focus on each movement. You got this. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Every rep brings you closer to your goals. Keep pushing. You got this. Every drop of sweat is a step closer to your goal. Feeling the burn? That's the feeling of fat melting away. Embrace it, because it's a sign of progress. Keep that energy up. You're stronger than you think. Each rep, each set, is building a stronger you. Short rest periods keep your heart rate up. These breaks are crucial for maintaining intensity. Maximizes calorie burn. Focus on your breathing. Deep breaths fuel your muscles. In through your nose, out through your mouth. This rhythm keeps you steady and strong. Almost there. 2 more rounds of the circuit. Visualize the finish line, you're so close. Dig deep. Find that inner strength. You're a warrior. Finish strong and be proud of your effort. Amazing work. You crushed it. Now let's cool down, stretch those muscles. Prevents soreness, improves flexibility. Gentle arm stretches, overhead reach, tricep stretch. Hold each stretch for 15 seconds. Leg stretches, hamstring stretch, quad stretch. Hold, breathe deeply. Cooling down is as important as warming up. Shows your body love after a tough workout. Well done. Congratulations! You completed a 20-minute fat-burning workout. Feel that sense of accomplishment. Make this routine a habit. 3 to 4 times a week for amazing results. Remember, consistency is key. Love this workout? Let me know in the comments. Want more routines, tips, motivation? Tell me what you need. Let's get fit together.
A quick, effective 20-minute fat-burning workout that you can do anytime, anywhere. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Wellness Secret for more awesome workouts and weight loss tips. Let me know in the comments if you made it through all 4 rounds and what kind of workout you want to see next. Keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next video.